This is lesson 5 of the 3G welding series. This will be the third video on lesson 5. The first video we removed the backing strip from the back. The second video we ground it flush. Now the third video I'm going to grind the surface of the face of the weld. We're going to grind it flush. We'll lay out for our bending straps, and I'll show you how to identify them. Now that we have ground the face of the weld off flush, remembering that our grind marks are running in the same direction of bending, I'll lay this out for your bend straps. Remember, you find the center and you move each way of center 1 inch, and then from that 1 inch mark you move 1.5 inches. Same thing, find the center, which is 3.5, move 1/2 inch or 1 inch each way, and then, if I can measure right, just use some kind of straight edge if you got it. Find you something. This should be the last time you put your chalk marks on your piece. All right, now we should have 2 straps laid out, 1.5 inches wide. This is the only 2 pieces we're going to keep of the whole test. After all this work, all we're going to get is 2 pieces. what I want you to do is to identify each piece with your initials, what position it was welded in, and what side is facing up. So I'll have DN, 3G, and then an F for face. DN, that's my initials. 3G, that's the position. This is a vertical groove weld, 3G, and then F for face. F. That was my initials. Oops. Got a little ahead of myself. Make sure that you do not stamp it in the weld area or in the heat affected zone of that weld area. Put your initials on the edge and your 3G on the edge, and if you don't have room over there, put which side. The face of the weld, when we bend the face, that's going to be a face bend. When we bend the bottom part, that'll be considered your root bend. But I just want you to identify which side is the face, because once you cut these out, it's hard to tell which one was which. So in conclusion, we ground the face of the weld flush. Grind marks are running in the same direction of bending. I come back and I laid out my two test straps, identified them with the metal stamps, and that's it. Thank you.